Let's tackle another Mtel question. This one says, use the graph below to answer the question that follows. So we've got a graph here that says, when the equation of the parabola is shown is written in the form y equals a times x plus b times x plus c, what is the value of a? We've got a bunch of values here. All right, so this form that they're asking about is factored form of a quadratic. A factored form of a quadratic looks like this. So we'll say y equals a times x minus h times x minus k. And h and k are going to be your roots or your x-intercepts. So in this case, they would be -4 and -1. And a is your stretch factor. When a is negative, you're going to have a downward-facing parabola. When a is positive, you're going to have an upward-facing parabola. So all of our answers here are negative, and we know they should be because this is a downward-facing parabola. The other thing we know about a is that it represents the stretch. So that's like really the change in x and change in y, the relationship between those two values. So if you have no stretch, your parabola should go over 1, down 1 from the vertex. So let's label our vertex here. It looks like it's exactly in the middle of this box to me. So that's it right there. And if we go over 1, our stretch should be however much we go down. So we're starting in the middle of that box, so that's at 1/2, and then we're going down some amount, but it's definitely less than 1/2 because we don't hit the x-axis. So the most appropriate value that I can see for this one would be C, -1/4, because we go over 1 and then down 1/4, which would represent a stretch of -1/4.